Hello, my name is Kurt, the founder and chief strategist of ADBM Agency. We offer two primary services to companies in any of the architecture, design, and build material industries, regardless of your supply chain role, whether you're a manufacturer, an importer, showroom, distributor, spec writer, sales agency, or other professional. Our first product is offshore staffing, building a team of offshore labor to augment your domestic operations at a substantial cost savings. Working with you to hone down the role description and introduce the concept to your team, we then recruit, screen, place, integrate, and confirm ongoing efficacy. The second is developing custom to you workflow management software. Using low or no code platforms, we create enterprise apps that encourage repeatable results for your domestic team, any offshore team, and integrating AI. While these two products complement each other, we find most clients begin and at times stay with one or the other. Our niche understanding of the architecture, design, and build material space, along with the staffing channels and processes we have in place, encourage a profound impact on our clients' companies. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.